Congress, once spoken about only in harsh tones, are now growing louder, with party veterans beginning to speak out. After Digvijay Singh created a flutter with his social media post hailing the organizational strength and structure of the RSS, another party MP, that is Shashi Tharoor, has also weighed in. Shashi Tharoor too spoke about the strength of building a strong organization, and meanwhile there's breaking news that's coming in. We're getting you scoop from the Congress camp. So after row over Digvijay Singh's RSS remarks, sources are telling us that in a breakfast meeting of the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi reportedly told Digvijay Singh, and I'm going to quote from what our sources are telling us. As per sources, Rahul Gandhi reportedly told Digvijay Singh, "Aapne kal badmashi kar di." So the badmashi taunt has been hurled by Rahul Gandhi. Niyamika is with us. Niyamika, very important update that you're bringing to our viewers from that internal meeting of the Congress party, where it is being reported by sources that Rahul Gandhi snubbed Digvijay Singh and also told him, and the words he used was, "Aapne kal badmashi kar di."
Oh, well, yes, indeed. It is being told 2 times now by the sources who were being present in that particular meeting yesterday on the foundation day of the Congress party, that it was Rahul Gandhi who had jokingly, made a sarcastic comment upon Mr. Digvijay Singh that yesterday you have committed a mischief. That is the kind of message which Rahul Gandhi has given to Mr. Digvijay Singh at that point in time when all the senior leaders were being present there. In fact, the CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi was also being present when Rahul Gandhi had, made this comment against Mr. Digvijay Singh. It can be seen as a sharp attack upon Mr. Digvijay Singh, a clear message which the High Command is also trying to give out to Mr. Digvijay Singh, that at a point in time when the Congress party was trying to give out a message of holding a nationwide protest on BBG Ramji bill, the entire attention got diverted only because Mr. Digvijay Singh had not just made a social media post but also raised a concern within the CWC meeting for the strengthening of the Congress party. But the question which arises here is that he had made this comparison with the RSS. The way in which the Congress party is being divided into 2 groups. One group is clearly supporting Mr. Digvijay Singh's remarks, saying that this entire concern which he had raised was only to strengthen the party at the grassroots level. There is another group within the Congress party who has criticized this statement given by him, saying that it is not right to make this kind of a comparison with RSS. That is clearly being shown in the words which are being used by Mr. Rahul Gandhi as well in yesterday's meeting, where Rahul Gandhi had used that word badmashi, the word of mischief, which he had said in that particular statement to Mr. Digvijay Singh. That is a clear-cut message which Rahul Gandhi was also trying to give to Mr. Digvijay Singh, that it is not right to make certain comments which is basically a comparison between the Congress party and the RSS.
Niyamika, you've been tracking the Congress party for a very long time. You know how the Congress party functions. You know about the equations that leaders hold. Many analysts are of the opinion that Digvijay Singh once was, touted as the mentor of Rahul Gandhi. Now, in this meeting, when Rahul Gandhi sarcastically tells an elder, a veteran, that, aapne badmashi kar di, what message goes out, and what next when it comes to this entire controversy that's playing out with regards to Digvijay Singh's praise of the RSS's organizational strength?
Well, we have spoken to several of the leaders who were being present in that particular meeting, and some people told that this was basically an attack which Rahul Gandhi has done upon Mr. Digvijay Singh, be it a sarcastic comment only, but that was a strong message which Rahul Gandhi was trying to give to Mr. Digvijay Singh, that it was not right to make this kind of a comparison between the Congress party and the RSS. But there are some people who had also stated that it was basically the comment which was being made by Rahul Gandhi, that was jokingly what he had said, as many of the other leaders had also laughed at it, and in fact Mr. Digvijay Singh had also taken it in a very lighter way. But clearly it seems like the Congress, this kind of a message is also being given by the High Command, that they are also they have also known that how this entire shifting of narrative was being done on the day when CWC meeting was taking place. The Congress party was of the view that the entire focus should remain on the Manrega and the G Ramji Act only, right. But it got diverted only because Digvijay Singh had made a social media post. In fact, he had also raised this concern that the Congress party needs to get strengthened at the grassroots level, as there is a need of the way in which the power is at the central level,
Right.
and that should be
So
given
while
to the
Niyamika,
state
what you're
level.
telling us is that as per sources, what Rahul Gandhi said was said in a joking manner, and even Digvijay Singh, who's very senior, who's considered to be a loyalist of the Gandhi families, also took it in his stride. But can the state of the Congress party be also taken in a joking manner? Because here there are voices from within who are talking about structural changes that are needed. There are voices who are also making a pitch for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. But let's tell our viewers more about this controversy. So Congress's own are showing the mirror to the party and also to the top leadership. Senior leaders like Digvijay Singh, who have spoken about RSS's organizational strength. Some voices are also being echoed by the others. Let's listen in to the comments made by both Digvijay Singh and Shashi Tharoor.
मैंने तारीफ की है संगठन की। मैं आरएसएस और मोदी जी का घोर विरोधी हूँ। फंक्शन ओनली थ्रू डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड मैनर। सर आपने दैट इज माय मेरा सवाल ले लीजिए।
हमारे तो 140 साल की इतिहास है, उसमें तो बहुत सारी चीजें सीख सकते हैं उससे ना, तो हम अपने आप से भी सीख सकते हैं। डिसिप्लिन तो बड़ी जरूरी है कोई भी पार्टी में। आप सोचिए जी, मैं भी चाहता हूं कि हमारे संगठन जरा सा मजबूत हो, और हमारे संगठन के अंदर तो डिसिप्लिन होना ही चाहिए, तो लॉजिकल है। तो ये लेकिन दिग्विजय सिंह साहब अपने आप बोल सकते हैं ना, उनसे।
Meanwhile, Digvijay Singh's praise for the RSS seems to have divided the Congress party. So amid the storm over Digvijay Singh's remarks, there is a post of Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana, which many say is a taunt or a jibe, an indirect jibe at Digvijay Singh. Why? Because here it is Revanth Reddy, who earlier was criticized for alleged sycophancy because of the terms that he's used to glorify Sonia Gandhi, now even talks about the Congress as an organization. He says the Congress is a force for the people of India. It was born 140 years ago. The story of the Indian National Congress is the story of Indian democracy in motion. When one reflects on the leadership of Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, we find service, we find commitment, we find ethics and values. So here too, he's lauding Sonia Gandhi. He says, under Sonia Gandhi ji's leadership, it became possible for P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu, who started his public career from a remote village in Telangana, to rise and become the Prime Minister of the country. Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji also made an economist like Dr. Manmohan Singh ji the Prime Minister. So from leading India's freedom struggle to framing the constitution, from building democratic institutions to uniting a diverse nation, the Indian National Congress has shaped everything or every defining chapter of modern India. So, but like we've been telling you, this seems to be an indirect jibe at Digvijay Singh, who spoke about, learning from the organizational strength of the RSS. At the same time, there are voices coming in from the Congress party itself. There are some who are coming out in support of Digvijay Singh. Here's what Salman Khurshid has to say. In the latest, it is Salman Khurshid who says that what Digvijay Singh says should be taken seriously. So Salman Khurshid says that Digvijay Singh is a pillar of the Congress party, and the remarks that he makes or the advice that he gives are always in support of the Congress party. So why should Digvijay Singh or his ideology or his loyalty be questioned?
देखिए, शब्दावली किसकी क्या है और क्या संदर्भ है, इस पर ध्यान देने की आवश्यकता होती है, क्योंकि दिग्विजय सिंह के बारे में कोई दूर दूर तक ऐसा तो नहीं सोच सकता कि वो जो भी कहेंगे वो कांग्रेस पार्टी के हित में नहीं होगा, या कांग्रेस पार्टी के जो विचारधारा है उससे कहीं हट कर वो बात करेंगे। वो एक स्तंभ हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी के, और अगर उन्होंने कोई विशेष भाषा का प्रयोग किया है तो समझना चाहिए कि उनका संदर्भ क्या था, उनका निशाना क्या था, वो करना क्या चाह रहे थे। कहना उनका ये है कि हमको जो कुछ भी करना है, जो भी हम कदम उठाएं, वो आज देश की मजबूती के लिए और कांग्रेस पार्टी की मजबूती के लिए हम उठाएं।
We're going to show you how what Digvijay Singh said has divided the Congress party. You heard what Shashi Tharoor said, you heard what Salman Khurshid said. But now it is Manikam Tagore who has chosen to target the Sangh and escalate his attack on the Sangh. He's also called the RSS an organization that spreads hatred and also compared it to a terrorist organization like Al-Qaeda.
संगठन है आरएसएस। आरएसएस नफरत से बड़ा बना हुआ संगठन है। वो नफरत फैलाती है। नफरत, उससे सीखने के लिए कुछ नहीं है। ये आप अलकायदा के साथ कोई सीख सकते हैं क्या? वो संगठन, अलकायदा एक नफरत का संगठन है। लोग दूसरों को ऊपर नफरत करती है। उस संगठन से क्या सीखने के लिए?
Now, the RSS too is hitting back after a Congress MP likened the RSS to Al-Qaeda. RSS's Indresh Kumar is saying that this shows how there is intellectual bankruptcy in the Congress party. Sample the latest reaction from the RSS now that there's a showdown and flashpoint over the term Al-Qaeda that has been used by a Congress MP to compare the RSS with a terrorist organization.
इसी से कांग्रेस में खलबली मची हुई है और वो विभाजित रूप में दिख रही है। उसी में महकम जो सांसद हैं उन्होंने आरएसएस की तुलना अल कायदा से करके अपने दिमाग का दिवालियापन प्रकट किया है। कुछ लोगों ने ये कहकर कि संघ से क्यों सीखना, इसको भी कहा है। और बहुत बड़ी संख्या ये मानती है कि संघ एक डिसिप्लिन्ड, पैट्रियोटिक, समाज सेवी, सुख दुख के अंदर सबके लिए मदद करने वाली संगठना है।
My colleague Pragya is with us. Pragya, on one hand, we are seeing how there are voices and veterans from the Congress party who are dishing out advices, who are saying, let's learn organizational strength from the RSS. Digvijay Singh has come under attack. There are others in the Congress who are saying that let's take that advice seriously. Then you have some who are going to the extent of likening the RSS to Al-Qaeda. How is the RSS planning to take this up?
Well, RSS believes that there is no point speaking to people who are mentally and intellectually bankrupt. Mr. Indresh Kumar, who is a senior RSS functionary, has already reacted on it. But RSS generally, it doesn't react and it chooses not to react on such political statement. It is a social organization and it wants to be a social organization only. And but we had seen reactions of RSS in past where when there were attempts to make it and make it out as a militant organization. But as Prime Minister has spoken about it, Home Minister has spoken about it, RSS is an organization that focuses on Vyakti Nirman. And whereas terrorist organization like Al Qaeda, they are for the violence, they kill people, which is no comparison at all. So Mr. Manikam Tagore making such comparison only shows that they want to divert from the real issue, which is the division within the Congress. The senior leaders are raising issues like leadership in the Congress, yes, and also whether the Congress is going in the right direction or not. It is, remember, it is a question of existence of Congress right now. The kind of losses it has faced right now, the kind of reaction it has got from the people, and also about the leadership. And this is why Mr. Digvijay Singh has taken to social media to highlight this particular issue. But as Niyamika was also saying that it was brushed aside in a lighter vein. Right. It was no lighter issue, maybe brushed aside in a lighter vein, but it was a serious issue, which in fact many of the Congress leaders are speaking about, not to Rahul Gandhi, but in fact in their drawing rooms.
Mr. Digvijay Singh, as per sources, has been told by Mr. Rahul Gandhi that aapne to badmashi kar di. Should a serious advice be brushed aside, like you're saying, sarcastically, or should such concerns be taken up in a very, very strong manner? Thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast, Pragya, and breaking down the details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short commercial break.